Malik, what you are doing?
I'm painting.
Can you tell me about the thing that you are drawing?
I draw trees. There's fruit trees and the sky and the sun.
I can't hear you.
I draw 2 trees and the sky and the sun and airplane and birds and house and the grass.
Okay. Is this airplane a Palestinian airplane?
No,
It's for whom?
it's for Israeli occupation.
Oh, so you like the Israeli airplane to be in your sky?
No,
So why you drew them?
because he's busy in my brain.
I can't hear you. What?
Like this, busy in my brain.
So because it is all the time in your sky, that's why you are drawing it? So do you like them to be in your sky always?
No.
Why?
Because he's kill kids and terrorize us.
It kills kids? What? Can you repeat that?
Because he's kill kids.
It kills? Yes, go ahead.
Because he's kill kids and terrorize us.
So you feel scared of them?
Yes.